Hello, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today our topic is about motorcycle road accident lawyer, motorcycle injury lawyer. Motorcycle accident lead to sizable percentage of total traffic crash death in the United States, deficit making up only small percentage of total vehicle sale. When motorcycle accidents are not fatal, they can still have a major consequences on the person's health and well-being. Recovering compensation for damage after getting in a motorcycle accident can be a complicated process, as insurance carriers may often attempt to get around coverage regulation and any personal injuries compensation and half of the at-fault party. Do you understand? Any question you can ask me in comment section. If you or a loved one has gotten into a motorcycle accident, one of the first actions you should take is to contact motorcycle accident attorney at the law firm of Florin. Roybeck, our team of attorney, has specialized expertise in helping motorcyclists receive compensation through investigation and negotiation process. By gathering information about your case, our attorney can help you file a claim and the relevant insurance company to recover motorcycle injury and accident related damages. When to file a motorcycle accident claim? Do you know? If no, then you can listen carefully. Motorcycle accident can result in a number of consequences ranging from property damage to mental anguish, serious or permanent injury and death. These monetary, physical and physiological losses can quickly mount and become permanent to individuals who are in the process of recovery from a serious accident. Many people in the United States live paycheck to paycheck or can otherwise have a very difficult time covering the strategy out of a package expense that can result from a motorcycle accident injury. While expenses related to a motorcycle accident can vary, they may include financial, physical, and psychological. Financial. Our topic is financial. Now I can explain you. Medical transport cost, hospital care, other medical bills, bike repair, replacement cost and lost wages, serious injury requiring long-term rehabilitation and care, loss of limbs, disfigurement, paralysis and served brain trauma, psychological pain and suffering costs resulting in mental anguish. Filing a motorcycle accident claim can be effective course of action for injured motorcyclists who wish to secure compensation for losses. Motorcycle accident claim can be filed by the injured rider or a loved one on their behalf. In the latter case, a claim may be filed in order to seek damage for a loved one who severely injured or suffered wrongful death as a result of the accident. Losing a loved one to a motorcycle accident can be a traumatic experience and may entitle you to the compensation on the basis of the wrongful death. To seek compensation, you will need an attorney to help prove that it was another party negligence that directly resulted in your loved one's wrongful death. Financial losses that you experience, example, non-economical damages, pain and suffering, like emotional disease, like mental anguish, loss of enjoyment of a costume. Unfortunately, insurance will rarely cover all these expenses. Your best option is to speak with an 18-wheeler accident lawyer to move forward. Why are 18-wheeler accidents are so catastrophic? 18-wheeler are much dangerous than most other type of vehicles. Some of the reason why I include heavy load. With a full load, an 18-wheeler truck weight is about 80,000 pounds, which is 400 tons. That's a lot of weight. To put the number into the perspective, The average car weight about 2,700 pounds, which is over just 1 ton. That means that the 18-wheeler are 400 times heavier than the most of the cars that they receive. They share the road. When trucks collide with the other motor vehicles, their massive weight often causes serious injuries, incredible property damage, and tragic death. Tragic death. Oh, sad man. Largest vehicle on the road. 18-wheeler can be up to 176 feet in length and can have to 4 trailers. The main that the trucking 18-wheeler truck driving next to you on the highway is longer than the half of the football field and over 10 times as long as the average car. It can be difficult for driver to avoid crashing as they navigate sharp curves in the road, turns, merges, expressways, exit, and narrow street. Their massive size also amplifies the danger of the roadside negligence, speeding. An 18-wheeler truck traveling at a 17 mile per hour has twice as much energy as on going 50 miles per hour.